In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an alternative host in Zoom. This feature is particularly useful when you want to ensure smooth running of your meetings, even if you're unable to attend or if you have additional helping hands to manage the session. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set this up with ease. Firstly, to get started, you'll need to initiate the meeting yourself. As the primary host, you hold the keys to unlock a variety of important features that enable seamless collaboration and control. By starting the meeting, you're setting yourself up as the lead, which is crucial because only the host has the authority to assign alternative hosting responsibilities to others. So once you're in the meeting, let's move on to the next steps. Once your meeting is up and running, you'll want to focus your attention on the participants panel. This is typically found at the bottom of your Zoom window. Clicking on this button opens a new panel on the right-hand side of the screen where you can see a list of all the people attending your meeting. This view is important because it allows you to manage how your meeting flows, including the assignment of host controls. Now let's go a bit deeper. Next to a participant's name, you'll notice a button labeled More. Click this and it will present you with a drop-down menu filled with options for managing that participant. Here's where your journey to assigning an alternative host truly begins. By wanting to enhance your meeting management, you're taking proactive steps to cover all bases. After clicking More, you'll find an option that says Make Host. This feature is designed to pass on the hosting baton temporarily. When you make another participant the host, it effectively equips them with the same controls and privileges that you originally held. This includes starting and stopping the meeting, muting or unmuting participants, and even starting breakout rooms. Completing this action ensures that even in your absence, someone else holds the mantle to run the meeting smoothly and efficiently. To sum it up, by starting the meeting yourself, managing the participants panel, locating the More button, and finally selecting Make Host, you're building a robust system for hosting Zoom meetings that can thrive with multiple leaders. This simple but effective series of actions lets your meeting run seamlessly without a hitch, providing peace of mind knowing that duties can be shared or handed over whenever necessary.